All right, this is really incredible. So all of these dogwood trees that you see in front of me were all planted as live stakes just about 6 months ago. So these are all silky dogwood trees. They're about at least 6 feet tall now, and I'll just show you the bottom of them. So you can see this part in the middle, that's what we planted. And then all these shoots coming off around it. Amazing. Just a quick look at a black willow live stake that was planted along the edge of Wilborn Park just earlier this spring. And you can see all these shoots coming out of it. And it's about 5 feet tall. They work. I wanted to show an example of a live stake that actually didn't make it during our planting earlier this year at Wilborn Park. So I'm walking around the park along the edge here, and this is a American sycamore tree live stake. So sometimes just because you don't see any growth on them doesn't mean that they aren't alive, but this is a good example of I was easily able to just pull it out of the ground. And you can see the bottom is starting to rot out, so that's okay. There's a lot of reasons for that. Could be because it just didn't get enough sun, it could be because it didn't get enough moisture, and sometimes they just don't make it, but that's okay. Still worth the effort.